They're unlikely-looking pirates and their crimes weren't committed on the high seas, but in Sweden, Carl Lundström and 3 other men have been jailed for piracy on the internet. The group controlled this website, the Pirate Bay. It's one of the world's biggest and allows users to exchange computer files, including music and movies, for free. Companies, including the Big Six American film studios, claim this costs them millions of dollars in lost revenue. The defence argued because the site's computer servers held no copyright material and the exchange of files didn't take place there, the men couldn't be held responsible. But the prosecution in Stockholm said that by financing, programming and running the Pirate Bay website, the men promoted illegal downloading of copyrighted material. The judge agreed, finding the men guilty of being accessories to the breaking of copyright laws. Each has received a year in prison. With huge international interest in the case, the court had succumbed to international pressure, defence lawyer Per Samuelsson alleged.
My comment is that the Swedish legal system didn't stand against the political pressure from the whole of the world, from the whole of the power, and it's very hard for them to acquit, but they should have done that.
The 4 men have appealed the decision. The hearing had been viewed around the world as a test case, but it's unlikely to stop illegal downloading, with dozens of other sites similar to the Pirate Bay operating around the world. Andrew Potter, Reuters.